friends, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. A crochet coffee mug cover is a delightful and practical way to keep your coffee warm while adding a bit of style to your morning routine. This cover typically fits snugly around a standard mug and can be designed with various patterns, textures, and colors. Here are a few ideas for crochet coffee mug cover designs. Basic stitch patterns. Use simple crochet stitches like single crochet, double crochet or half double crochet for a straightforward design. You can create stripes by changing colors every few rows. Granny square style. Make a mini granny square that can be adapted to wrap around a mug. This adds a vintage touch and allows for the use of many colors. Textured patterns. Implement stitches that offer texture, such as bubble stitch, popcorn stitch, or puff stitch. These add a tactile element to the cover and enhance its aesthetic. Leg patterns. For a more delicate look, use a leg crochet pattern. This could be especially appealing with a finer yarn. For a more intricate design, ribbed design. Using front and back post double crochet stitches can create a ribbed effect that not only looks stylish but provides a better grip on the mug. Cable patterns. Use cable crochet techniques for a knitted look that adds an element of cozy sophistication. When creating a crochet coffee mug cover, ensure it has an opening or a button closer to handle the mug easily and can be removed for washing. Also, consider using cotton yarn as it is durable, easy to wash, and can handle heat well. Crocheting a coffee mug cover can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you get the best result. Choose the right yarn. Opt for cotton or a cotton blend yarn, as it is heat resistant, durable, and washable. Wool can also be a good choice, for it is insulating properties, but it might not be as easy to clean as cotton. Check the fit. Make sure to measure your mug's circumference and height accurately. Crochet the test swatch first to determine your case and adjust your pattern accordingly to ensure the cover fits snugly around your mug without slipping off. Keep it functional. While designing, remember that the cover should not only be pretty but also functional. It should be easy to put on and take off, adding a button closer or a loop at the handle can make using the cover more convenient. Incorporate elastic or ribbing to help the cover fit snugly and stay in place. Consider adding a ribbed pattern at the top and bottom edge, or incorporating a thin elastic thread into the top edge. Make it reversible. If you want a cover that can be used with more than one look, make it reversible by using different colors or patterns on each side. Use appliques and embellishments. Personalize mug covers with crochet appliques, such as flowers, animals, or any other designs that suits the user taste. This can be sewn on after the cover is completed. Wash care. Since the cover will likely face frequent spills, make sure the finished product is easily to wash. Provide care instructions if you are giving it as a gift. Most cotton yarns are machine washable, but it is safer to air dry to prevent shrinkage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.